DFW fence contractor. We're building a board-on-board fence right here. It's Western Red Cedar. Putting on the bottom board first. We put a 2x4, full 2x4 spacer between the 1x6x6. We use pressure-treated pine on the bottom. Get the fence up off the ground. All the way around, we've got the kicker board along the bottom to get the fence up. This already has our second row of 1x6 pickets put on top. We'll come back and custom cut the top and put in the top cap and trim on top. We use a 2x4 at the bottom as a spacer to lift it off the ground. That way it stays consistent with the look and the appearance on the bottom. Now from here, what he's going to do is he's going to come back and mark the next board that's going to go on top. So he'll nail the top first in this section. Then what he's going to do is going to come back and nail the middle and the bottom. He'll use a level to make sure that they're straight up and down vertically. We hand stain all this wood. This is a product called Ready Seal. This is their dark walnut. This is a Western Red Cedar board on board built by DFW Fence Contractor. Thanks for checking us out.